Hey guys, it's Leda and on the ever quest for the perfect DIY deodorant. This one's not oily and it's simple. You can get the ingredients from Formula Sample Shop. It's not oily like magnesium oil or a lot of the greasy ones, you know, you smear in your armpits, and it actually works. So lately, you know, my armpits have been sweating a lot more from using magnesium oil and also the magnesium powder, which is the magnesium hydroxide powder, which I've been using just straight, and my armpits sweat more, it seems like. I mean, I'm a big sweater, so they're sweating more. And I was just like, darn it. So this one's really good, guys. We're going to go through it. You know, non-toxic, actually works. It's got a few ingredients that you can get from Formula Sample Shop. All these are linked in below. And by the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like maybe health and beauty type information, anti-aging, a variety of information, supplement information, some DIYs, click the bell button and you'll be notified when I put up videos on Thursdays and when I do live videos at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on my Zen deck, where we do Q&A, we discuss what we're gonna, whatever. This DIY is really working out for me. See it pretty? It's kind of a cool opalescent. So I made it with essential oil of grapefruit because I like the smell of grapefruit. It feels fresh. And you can put anything you want though. And it's, oh yeah, it smells good. It's like moisturizing. It doesn't feel sweaty. I mean, it lets your pits breathe. That's not oily. Yeah, so we'll let that dry. I love the smell. So the ingredients are water, and we put xylitol. My bag ripped, so I have a plastic bag around with xylitol Morning Pep from Amazon, and these are all my Amazon store, which I have a link to, and I'll link to all these ingredients in the description, darlings. I made the formula also in the description, the percentages. Water, 90% water, and xylitol at 4%, so that's 2 grams. Xylitol is not only good for your teeth and bone building, and you know, it's good non-sugar substitute because your body doesn't metabolize it the same way. And it also kills bacteria because bacteria can't metabolize it. It's also great like preservative, and it's hydrating, and it's good, and you'll see it in a lot of deodorant. Mind you, it's poisonous to pets and not only dogs, so you don't want your dog eating your pit. You don't want your dog eating the xylitol, you know, or the gum with xylitol, or your deodorant. A lot of deodorants have xylitol, so I put it in. Yeah, this is feeling, it doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel sticky, it's dried. I love this deodorant. Yeah, it's good. And we also put some D9, which you can also get at Formula Sample Shop, which is awesome. And this is a nice replacement for petroleum-based products that dissolve oils into water, that like spread the essential oil into the water evenly. D9 is derived from sugar, and so it's EcoCert. There's a link to that in the description. And from Formula Sample Shop, we also have Ethylhexylglycerin, which is derived from vegetable glycerin, also from Formula Sample Shop, which is awesome. They have this. So this is a great ingredient for deodorant as well. It particularly is good at eliminating bacteria that cause body odors. We have this at 1%. It's a little tricky to dissolve in water. Apparently 1%, it will still dissolve in water, but I pre-dissolved it in a little bit of glycerin. So it's a nice, let your armpits breathe, moisturizing, especially if you've been using a lot of drying, like baking soda and magnesium hydroxide, if you've been using a lot of that and it's drying your pits out. And that's moisturizing, because this is also used, ethylhexylglycerin is also used as an emollient and a nice spreading ability it's used in skincare as well. Yes, derived from vegetable glycerin. And we have I love Uncle Harry's. I love my Uncle Harry. He's got some great essential oils. So I just got some grapefruit because I like it's fresh and, you know, happy. You can put any essential oils you want. I want to make one for my boyfriend that's a little bit more woodsy, you know, maybe vetiver and a cedar or something like that, or patchouli, tiny bit, you know. You can make it any one you want. You can just put lavender essential oil. You could use no essential oil. So that's what we're going to do today, guys. It's kind of cool looking too. It really works. And so my hand that I sprayed is not, maybe it doesn't feel sticky. It feels like lightly moisturized. Let's do it. Turning around. Let's do it, guys. Okay, here we are. These percentages are down in the description. Okay, darlings? Making 50 milliliters. 45.43 of water. Right up to there. Whoop. And I don't really need a mixer because this all dissolves very easily. And then we have our bag of xylitol, morning pep, darlings. Let's measure out. 4% of xylitol is 2 grams. Close enough. Dissolve the xylitol. Easily dissolves. You could heat it up, but I'm too lazy. I think it'll just dissolve in the water. Takes a second. D9, guys, which Formula Sample Shop has. 1, right up to this notch here, milliliter. Yeah, bubbles. We're going to glycerin in a separate container, which is 0.5. In our separate. Then I'm going to put the ethylhexylglycerin in the glycerin because it helps redissolve it. 1%, 0.5. Doesn't dissolve too well in water. I'm going to kind of swish it around in glycerin. Then I'm going to pour our solution of water, xylitol, and D9 in it. And swish that around. Gets kind of milky and opalescent. Whee! And then a few drops of oil of grapefruit. Grapefruit essential oil, 0.15, but I'm just going to do a few drops. 1, 2, 3. And then the D9 will distribute that within the liquid. Agitate a bit. Great, that way the essential oil is all the way distributed. And then I'm just going to pour it in my little glass container I got from Amazon. All of these ingredients and products will be linked in the description, darlings. The end. Yeah. Yeah, guys, really digging it. Not irritating. Actually works. Important part of a deodorant. And this is like $6 for Formula Sample Shop. You can get 1 ounce. I got 2 ounces, so it's a little bit more. But it's cheap. And Formula Sample Shop. Oh, and Formula Sample Shop, you can also get a discount with a link. It's in the description. leda 10, I believe. So you can get a 10% discount for Formula Sample Shop stuff. And they're very cool. I love the opalescence. Yeah, guys, deodorants that actually work. It's summertime, and you just need this all the time. I mean, who isn't looking for a non-toxic deodorant that actually works all the time? So this is going to work. It totally works. Whatever smell you want to put on there, you know, or no smell at all. Okay, guys? So I hope that helps you. More deodorant ideas. I know we have quite a few deodorant, and this is my favorite one that I've made so far. And if you like that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you click the bell button, you'll be notified, as we said, you know, videos on Thursdays and lives on Tuesdays, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, it's Leda Lumps Apotheca, and today we're going to I wish it would curl up. Do another DIY deodorant. This is really great. We're using ethylhexyl and from Storm's for you know, a lot of so it kills the bacteria that are particular for deodorant. I mean, for yeah. Yeah.